Let's assume you are a publisher, manages a website with a number of different category pages, and each page gets millions of monthly impressions. In this example, 2 million for homepage, 1 million for entertainment, 1 million for politics, and so on. To sum up, total ad inventory generated per month through this website is 10 million impressions. Once this inventory is ready, your sales team approaches advertisers with all of the information they need to make a sale, and they strike a deal. Each ad space is defined with a rate and offers to advertisers. On the other end, buyers also have their own rates, which are the maximum amounts for which they are willing to run a campaign. Advertisers with their own rates can be seen on this slide. You as a publisher can strike a deal with advertiser who is willing to pay a higher price than others, and this allows you to earn more money. From these advertisers, it's clear that advertiser with a $5 CPM is the highest paying one, and you can choose him. In terms of amount of ad inventory, the total inventory available for the ad space is 1 million impressions. You may see different scenarios depending on how many impressions advertisers buy at different times. Let's have a look at 3 different scenarios to see what we are talking about. For example, a single advertiser, Nike, is prepared to purchase all 1 million impressions available for this ad space, and all inventory has now been sold. In case 2, Nike this time willing to purchase only 5 lakh impressions. The remaining 5 lakh are sold to new advertisers Skoda. Even in this case, all of the impressions were sold. Case 3. Nike purchased only 5 lakhs impressions. Skoda is willing to buy 3 lakh impressions this time. Now in this situation, out of 10 lakhs impressions, only 2 lakhs leftover impressions. Similarly, you sold other ad spaces to other advertisers according to the inventory required for them. And you may still have some unsold inventory. Based on the concepts we discussed till now, we shall look into different types of inventory. A publisher is ready to sell 10 million impressions. Depending on the market value and demand, there are 2 types of inventory. First is sold inventory, in which a certain percentage of the inventory is sold to advertising. Another type of ad inventory is unsold, which explains that the leftover impressions not purchased by anyone. Here, premium inventory refers to inventory that has been sold, and remnant inventory refers to unsold inventories.